So there we are. So my little summary of this idea is, if we're doing it for the unchosen alternatives, you want to look at your list of cons. Okay? Because remember, this is something you said, I don't think we should do. It's not the best solution to the problem. So look at your cons. Which con was the one that convinced you the most? That's the reason you're going to do it. Then what you're going to do is make that part of your claim. This is the reason why we shouldn't do this course of action. Because what is the evidence you have? Preferably some facts, maybe a logical assumption. You know, the price-quality relationship thing is, you know, when you hear the idea that people assume that something's higher priced and might have a better quality, that might make sense to you. So there's, you might not have the facts to back it up, but it makes sense. The warrant, given, bridge the data between the claim. Given that that happens, then we would say, unless, what would make you change your mind? What would make you take that thing to say, you know, if you could convince me that this con was not really that important, then I might be willing to change this to make it my recommendation. So that's doing it for unchosen alternatives. What's different about this one is now we review our pros. On a recommendation, you say, what is my most convincing pro? What is you know, when I look through, you're probably going to have, when you write up your case brief, you're going to have 3, 4, 5, maybe more, you know, pros, and you're going to have some cons on it. But when you look through that list of pros and say, this is the one that's my driver. This is the one I'm really getting behind. That's the main reason I recommend it. So the reason that this is the best course of action, because, you know, where's your data? Where's your facts? Why did you think it was the most important one? Given whatever kind of an explanation. Sometimes these two kind of get blurred together a little bit. And unless, what would make you change your mind? What kind of information would make you change your mind and say, maybe this isn't such a good recommendation?